What is up, YouTube Power Nation? It's your boy Crazy E back at it with another demo video for you guys tonight. And what I'm going to be demoing off is going to be the cutting edge fireworks live blast. There's 8 pieces in each box. Double break shells. So what I'm going to be doing a demo of is going to be this golden willow to red, golden willow to green. So a double break ball shell, 1.75 ball shell. So this is the tube it comes in, water tube. So let's go ahead and light this. Before I go ahead and do that, let me know what you guys think about this. Comment, rate, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We got a couple more days to the 4th. I've been busy building racks. I need to start making my boards. Time's getting closer, man. I'm juice. So once again, live blast by Cutting Edge Fireworks. Comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Power Nation, I'm out. Let's get into this. Live blast, Cutting Edge.